Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel GAMAARZ. Today, we have an exciting product review for you: compact 3 kW instant electric tankless water heater for kitchen and shower certainly. Here's a script for a YouTube video review of a compact 3 kW instant electric tankless water heater, focusing on its efficiency for use in kitchens and showers. This script will guide viewers through its features, installation, performance, and overall value. Hello, savvy homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring a game-changer in home heating solutions: the compact 3 kW instant electric tankless water heater. Let's see how it performs for both kitchen and shower use. This compact tankless water heater promises instant hot water and energy efficiency. Its 3 kW power is designed for optimal performance in small to medium-sized homes. Right out of the box, the water heater's compact size stands out. It's sleek and minimalist, perfect for small spaces. Included are the water heater unit, mounting hardware, and a user manual. The build quality is solid. It's designed with a durable casing and simple controls for ease of use. The design is unobtrusive, making it a discreet addition to any kitchen or bathroom. Installation is straightforward for those with basic plumbing and electrical knowledge. However, professional installation is recommended to ensure safety and efficiency. Once installed, it takes up minimal space and blends well with most interiors. The heater heats water quickly and efficiently. The 3 kW power provides a steady flow of hot water, suitable for showers and kitchen use. On camera, it's impressive how quickly it delivers hot water almost instantaneously. One of the key benefits of this tankless heater is its energy efficiency. It heats water on demand, which means no energy is wasted in heating a tank of water. This could lead to significant savings on your electricity bills, especially in the long run. The water flow is consistent, and the temperature control is precise, allowing for a comfortable and customized experience. Whether you're using it in the shower or kitchen, the ability to adjust temperature and flow is a big plus. The heater is built to last with minimal maintenance required. Its compact design makes it easy to access for routine checkups. On camera, a quick wipe and occasional descaling are all it needs to keep running smoothly. Its versatility is a standout feature. It's ideal for apartments, small homes, or as a secondary water heater for large houses. Especially for homes where hot water demand is high, this could be a great solution. Priced competitively, this tankless water heater offers good value considering its performance, energy efficiency, and durability. It's an investment for those looking for an efficient and space-saving hot water solution. In summary, the compact 3 kW instant electric tankless water heater is an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable, efficient, and space-saving hot water solution. It's a smart upgrade for modern homes.